Alright, hey, I'm Gary. Welcome back to What's Gary Doing. Today, I'm taking an old skill saw blade and turning it into an ice chipper. I've already done an ice chipper video, but that I use kind of normal materials. So I'm changing it up. So today it's going to be this blade. So, in just a moment, what I'll be doing is I'll be cutting this line down here, and then cutting this line and keeping this, and we're going to keep all the teeth on the edge of the blade here for dramatic effect. So when we come back, we'll be ready to cut. Got my plasma cutter, so now I'm going to cut off these edges. Apparently the carbide is a little hard to cut through. Alright, we'll reposition and get ready for the next cut. Yeah. Tell me when. Go. Alright, now I'll just take this to I'll take this now over to the bench grinder, clean up my edges, and get ready for the next step. Okay, so I'm over here. I've redrawn my line because it gets burnt from the plasma cutter. So I re-etched my line on here on both sides. I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the edge with the bench grinder here real quick. Here's our final edge, final blade. Just cleaned up the top edge here, cleaned up the bottom edge here. Got our nice little point. It's kind of a badass looking unit, I think. This will chop some ice. So now, let's get set up and see what we're going to attach this to. Alright, so here I got a half-inch nipple. It's approximately 8 inches long. I'm just going to cut a slit down both sides of it so that my blade will fit right through it. I'm just going to take the plasma cutter here and quick cut a groove. Okay. Alright, so now we got that cut. Let's see if our blade fits over it. Pretty snug little fit. Bet you if I tap on it, she'll go down. So let's put this on the clamp. Right about there. Alright. Grab a hammer. Okay. That's my ice chipper. I'm gonna make sure it's nice and square. Then I'm gonna prep it and get it ready for welding. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna just tack weld this on here. Make a good bead at the bottom, make a good bead at the top. Doesn't have to be the whole length. It won't go anywhere. Okay, that's that side. I'll flip it over and I'll add some more to the other side. Alright, let that cool down a little bit. And then I'll pull out the files, put a nice edge on it, and show you how I'm going to use this short little ice chisel. Alright, no sense in pulling out the file set for this. Hell, it is just an ice chipper, so we're going to do some bench grinding. Just put a quick edge on it, nothing fancy. That's sharp enough for now. So, short little ice chipper. You don't want to be down on your knees doing this. So this has come with a previous thought of, we're just going to put a little coupler on here. And you don't have to use a straight coupler. You could use a 90-degree, you know, and chip like this. You could use a 45-degree if you have one. I don't have such a thing, but you know, for $1 or something, I'm sure I could pick one up at the hardware store. So I'm just going to screw this on here. Give her a good go. Got a piece of conduit here. Alright, this one's kind of excessive long, but that's fine. And screw this on here. Now I got my ice chipper. If I don't want to have the ice chipper on this piece of pipe that I have, say, dedicated to ice chipper purpose, I can take this off and say I had a metal rake and the handle broke. Weld the metal handle to a short little nipple like this, put it on my coupler, and now I turn my handle into a rake. And that thing ain't gonna break. Ever. And I'm happy enough with my welds. So I'm going to put on a coat and whatnot and go outside and chip some ice. See what it feels like. Alright. Okay. Alright, so here we are outside. I'm going to use my chipper. Let's check it out, see how it gets. Good weight behind it. I like that. I don't know, maybe I can use my saw blade for something, but if not, it just looks cool. I don't care. Let's see if I can get that big piece out. Well, looks like another fine built product by Gary. So, this has been what Gary's doing. If you liked my project, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Tell me why in the comments. Subscribe to my channel. Share on Facebook. And as for all, I'm Gary. Thanks for watching.